y'all, Tanya from Homefield East Valley, and today we're going to talk about the importance of understanding what size of septic tank you should have for your home. Septic tanks are actually most commonly sized by bedroom count. Each bedroom represents 150 gallons per day of wastewater usage. You'll often hear this referred to in septic lingo as GPD, gallons per day, okay? So how we calculate the tank sizes, the tank size needs to be 2.1 times the size of the amount of gallons per day going into the septic tank. So for example, we're going to do a little math here. A 3-bedroom house would be 3 times 150 equals 450 gallons per day. Now, what size of tank should we put in? Well, the minimum in Arizona is a 1,000-gallon septic tank. You take 450 times 2.1, and that's going to give you the minimum tank size you can put in. So a 1,000-gallon tank would work great for you. Now, we're going to go to a 5-bedroom. 5 times 150 is going to be 750 gallons per day. Times 2.1, you're going to have a 1,500-gallon tank. So, good rule of thumb is this. 3-bedroom or less house, 1,000-gallon tank. 4-bedroom, 1,250. 5-bedroom, 1,500. 6-bedroom, 2,000. If you've got more bathrooms than an additional 7th bedroom, say 6 bedrooms and 5 or 6 bathrooms, it will also catapult you into the next size, which is a 2,500-gallon tank. In the next video, we're going to talk about the other way to size septic tanks, which is by plumbing fixture count.